War Day number 336. Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 25th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the regular killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. And in Japanese, Tsuguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. News of today. Well, I've told you, War Day number 336. 336 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Binary puzzle, yes. Number 5848. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. 21. Okay. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. And now, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Okay. Now. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Now. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. And I'm thinking. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have 4 O's here. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Well, I cannot place number 5 here, the fifth one. Otherwise, we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not that I one of the rules, so this can be one. There should be no. Double O, here one, there one. I think. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. The fifth one in this row cannot be placed here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. There should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. This is almost the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think I need to compare now. 2, 3, 4. 3 ones. 4, 5. I'm stuck. We have here 1 completed column, 2 completed columns. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed rows. Okay. Oh, 11. Double O here. Well, will be difficult. I think we need to compare the rows. Double O here. Almost. How about here? 10. This row, and 10, 11, this row. Well, let me compare. 1. 1. Empty box. 1. Need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, it's not helping me here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, still 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's then in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be no. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Well, and now this is not the same. This one, double one here. Cannot compare here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. It's almost the same. This one. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Come on. Yeah, need to compare. Well. How about double one here? Almost the same. Almost, but not quite. Here, I cannot. But here, no, cannot compare this one. How about 1001? Huh? Double one here. 1001, double one. Oh, this one. This row. And that row. Okay. Let me compare. 1100 11 sorry, 11 empty box so we need to switch those two digits. Yeah, we have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now I can continue. Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And now we have a double here. Almost the same, but not quite. How about here? No, here we have 3. And here we have also 3. 1001, 1001. Oh. No. I cannot compare this column. How about this column then? 1001. 10. Here. Not the same here. So I cannot compare this one. Yeah. Double one here. No, cannot compare this one. But the row then. Double 1001. Double 1001. Almost the same. This is not. No. How about this one then? The first row. And double one here. This. Yeah. Well, this one and first one. Okay, this one and that one. Let me compare. Empty box. 0011 11 empty box 1100. Need to switch these two digits. Yeah, need to switch these two digits. So we have a 1 here. This should be no. We have over here. This should be a 1 then. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Completed in 15 minutes. Well, this one is tough one. Tough, tough, tough. Need to compare. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.